5-second rule when I'm shooting. It looks sick, bro. Holding my breath. All right, we're here in Joshua Tree National Park. We're gonna be camping here, or at least I'll be camping here for one night, and Wally and Rusty will be here for the next 2 nights. What's up? What up, dude? Happy coach or whatever. Happy Josh.
Happy Russell's coach.
Oh, butterfly. There you go. Wow. Like this. Oh my god, it's fucking Batman. You can really find Batman. So close to this one, 27. 26. Are we going that way? I don't know. I ain't going on no wrong. Bingo. I'm following Rusty up these rocks. We're making our way to this tunnel that he spotted. Oh shit. Let's try it.
And you want to take a picture in here?
What's up? Dude, can we go higher? We made it to the top of some point. There's so many taller points than this, but I think we did pretty good for our conditions right now. Oh. Good dog.
Hell yeah, dude.
We did it. We did it. Cheers, boys.
Hell yeah.
Woo! J True. So cool. I don't think it does it justice though, huh? Ferris wheel. Taking a little walk around the trails to kill some time.
It's gonna look different. It doesn't matter. Making otots.
Oh, my part? Hey, look at those rocks.
Swear I forgot. Coachella and then a second time, and that was it. Swear I forgot.
What happened?
No, my. Come on, Coachella.
Sad, dude. Setting up.
Whoosh. Off the coast of Costa Rica.
Oh! We all know Jurassic Park.
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Yeah, dude.
I don't see Dino, but I see believing I'm a you.
Should I take off my shirt?
Sure.
Big fire!
City boys.
What am I doing?
Making it worse.
Oh, hey, bud.
Let there be light.
It's a Twilight Zone. I'm your host, Jordan Peele. Look at my titties.
Sick ass shot. Those look good. Anyways, here we go. Cooking some dinner and hanging out, and the light is really bright.
Just find one. Whatever.
So wait for Russ. Yeah, there you go.
We have to wait for
Russ. That bros. We love you guys. Thanks for coming out.
So cook it? Yeah. Okay.
It's fine. Your name's Neil.
I know. Do we have a spoon?
Oh! I don't know. I need a.
Mr. Russell's here. Cheers.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I like to dance and it looks like this.
There you go, dude. Yeah.
I like to dance and it looks like this.
Hell yeah.
The lyrical ridiculousness. Oh no.